In this short guide, I will show how to buy shares of America Movil, S.A.B to C.V ADR, explaining the steps to purchase the ADR listed on NASDAQ. America Movil is a major Latin American telecommunications operator, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AMX to find the ADR listing. Select the result that shows America Movil on NASDAQ to make sure you have the correct security. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it is the right America Movil ADR. Verify the ticker AMX and the NASDAQ exchange label before continuing. To place the trade, click Invest, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at next market hours, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio, showing current holdings. If you want to explore eToro, the link is in the description for reference.